Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. The one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a monthly chart of S&P 500 futures. So here you can see that after a steep fall during the month of March and found a strong support at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud in a monthly time frame and continued this uptrend up to here and tested the highs of 3524 during the month of August with growing hopes for economic stimulus, but due to growing cases of COVID-19 pandemic, the S&P 500 futures remained under heavy selling pressure during the month of September and October. But once again, growing hopes for a successful vaccine for COVID-19 resulted in a sharp uptrend during the month of November when the S&P 500 futures tested the highs of 3682. But since then, we've seen a sharp sell-off from these levels where you can see that the S&P 500 futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of 3553 for a long time. This level seems to be a stiff resistance level for S&P 500 futures. So here I find that during this month, S&P 500 futures could continue to see this exhaustion where a sustainable move below the levels of 3412 could push the S&P 500 futures up to the levels of 3232 before the end of this month. So here I find that the S&P 500 futures could continue to remain under heavy bearish pressure. So now let us check this move in a weekly time frame. So here you can see that how in a weekly time frame selling seems to continue during the last week, which resulted in formation of this exhaustive candle in a weekly time frame, which could push the S&P 500 futures up to the levels of 3432 during the upcoming week. Because here I find that a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week will keep the S&P 500 futures in more bearish pressure, where the immediate support can be seen at the levels of 3432. The major support can be seen at the levels of 3381. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the support of 3381 during the upcoming week, we'll see the S&P 500 futures could test the levels of 3301. Because here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to break the immediate resistance of 3632, we'll see the continuation of a downward move in the S&P 500 futures where a bounce back can be seen from the levels of 3432. Now let us check this move in the daily time frame, where in the daily time frame you can see that formation of an exhaustive candle on Friday looks evident enough for continuity of a bearish trend in the S&P 500 futures, where the immediate support can be seen at the levels of 3521, where I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend this immediate support on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we'll see the S&P 500 futures would be heading up to the major support at the levels of 3446, and the next support can be seen at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud. Now let us check this move in an hourly time frame, where you can see that S&P 500 futures continue to face stiff resistance at the levels of 3622 and finally started to move downward from the levels of 3615 on November 18 and continued this downward move up to the levels of 3542. Here you can see that on November 19, S&P 500 futures continued to find a strong support at the levels of 3542, which seems to be an immediate support for S&P 500 futures, but a gap down opening below this level could result in a sharp downward move, because currently the S&P 500 futures have been sustaining below the Ichimoku cloud. You can see that how the S&P 500 futures found a strong support at the levels of 3543 on November 19 and finally closed the week at the levels of 3551. Here I find that a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week below the levels of 3537 will result in continuation of this downward move, where the S&P 500 futures could test the next support at the levels of 3513. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.